I wanted to do a quick video today on the roof rack that I had built. This is a Toyota Rav 4, and the cross members that goes across these railings right here, I noticed were plastic and they kind of arched. And when I put heavy objects on there and I strapped them down, it did not seem like it worked very well. So I decided to build my own custom roof rack. I have carried anything from fence sections to kayaks to boards to doors to all kinds of stuff on this rack, and it does so well, so I figured I would share the video and how I made it. I did not do a video on whenever I made it, which I wish I would have, but I figured I would do an overview of it just to share my information with y'all. I got a piece of unistrut right here, and here is a U-bolt that I put under this cross member here. I put electrical tape here just to kind of protect it. I do have a lock washer here and a regular washer, and it comes with this other piece that goes all the way across as well. And this is just 2-inch like electrical pipe. I did a gray because the vehicle is a grayish color and I wanted it to match. So I made it to where the unistrut goes over the rail just a little bit, but not so much that it sticks out on the sides, to where you get in and out, you don't have a problem. And the electrical pipe here, I made it to where it was just on the inside of the rails right here. I have noticed that it does spin around when I'm driving down the highway, so I put like a rag in there, or a piece of styrofoam or a piece of foam or just anything, and it'll stop it from spinning. If you want to, if you do decide that you want to make this, you can cut this off flush here, but I kind of like the bolt sticking up here because it kind of gives me a stopping point when I strap stuff down. Even when I carry steel for the projects that I make in my other videos, I strap it on here with zero issues. 10 footers, no problem. It's extremely durable. It's strong. Unistrut can hold a lot of weight. So, and if you notice, I put them upside down as well, to where the exposed end is on the bottom here. And I measured everything out before I made the front and the rear, and there is different sizes. I think the front was a little bigger than the rear. The rear kind of tapers off a little bit. So, but it's pretty much the same concept. Just the pipe goes on the inside here, and the unistrut comes out on the outside, and just long enough to where you can stick a U-bolt in there, and the U-bolts are sticking through the holes. I did put electrical tape right here as well, just to kind of protect it so it doesn't rust or anything like that. But overall, it has served me well. I've got a lot of eyes on it. I've got a lot of comments on it from people just driving down the road. It's just a really good thing that has really helped me to be able to carry a lot of items here on the top of my miniature SUV or crossover, or whatever you want to call it. So here's the other side here, just to kind of give you an overview. It's actually really easy to make. You just cut your unistrut, slide your pipe on, and then get some U-bolts, and that is pretty much it.